Depending on your location, the iPhone 16 comes in two different versions. Two eSIM iPhones and one physical SIM, and the other is a SIM. On a physical SIM-supported model, find the SIM tray location. On the iPhone 16e, the SIM tray is typically located on the left side of the phone. To eject the SIM tray, use the SIM eject tool or a small paper clip to gently press into the small hole on the tray. This will pop the tray out of the slot. Place the SIM card. Remove the tray and place the SIM card into it. Make sure the SIM card is properly aligned and fits into the tray. The notched corner of the SIM card should match the outline in the tray. Carefully slide the tray back into the phone. Make sure it's flush with the phone's body and doesn't stick out. Turn on your iPhone if it was off. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your phone. Make sure the phone is off when you're inserting the SIM card to avoid any potential issues. If you encounter any issues during the process or if your phone does not recognize the SIM card, double-check if the card is properly inserted and that it's compatible with your phone's network specifications. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.